fun just standing around in the sand. Why don't we make you something really fun? We'll make you a fun slide, complete with your faces on top. Let's add on a little stairway to heaven. Let's have SpongeBob and Patrick try each other's slides. Something tells me that they liked it. Let's go again. Ooh, looks like Sandy Cheeks wants to try. But our karate-chopping Aquanaut wants a real challenge. We'll build you a slide with levels and seashells. But it needs something else.
What?
Wormy! You can help us.
Ew.
But there's always room for growth. Aw, they grow up so fast, don't they? And just look at how stretchy you are. That'll come in handy. Don't forget something to help Sandy climb up. I mean, she's a squirrel. Climbing's in her nature. Of course, what goes up has got to come down. Got the phone. Why don't we take a few selfies?
Ooh.
Here's an idea. Cover it with plastic wrap. Now why don't we help fill in the blanks? A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially when we make it into our new game. Don't worry, it couldn't be simpler. Just take a coin and start scratching. Pretty soon, you'll help bring all your shining faces back to light. Okay, we've got SpongeBob and Patrick, but don't forget Sandy. Nice pump. Oh, never mind. Your love made him grow. Good for him. Don't worry, pup. From now on, you're Land Gary. SpongeBob's ready to face this brand new world. Flashbacks to the news are never a good sign. This is a call to reuse. And think of the turtles. Seriously, SpongeBob probably knows a few. But what are we making? Ah, a pineapple outside of the sea. For a sec, I almost forgot that they come on land. And look, it's Gary's brand new pad. SpongeBob, you're turning violet. If we want you looking your yellowest, you're gonna need to use our handy air pump. There's no need to huff and puff anymore. Everything's taken care of with the push of a button. Voila! A new raft! Our air mattress! You do you, Sponge Boy. Just keep an eye out for falling leaves. But behold, the power of the wind! And maybe fix up your dew while we're at it. Who says a boy from the sea can't switch elements? After all, he's a sponge for all seasons. SpongeBob, you've got a little something. Uh-oh, the ants came marching early this year. Well, we've got to respect them. I mean, the outdoors is their home after all. But we've got the perfect solution. Baby powder. This'll help set some boundaries with the bugaboos. Seriously. They're fun, but remember to watch your step. Looks like it's bubble power to the rescue! Wow, duct tape! The answer to every sticky situation. Ironically, add some sticks and a plastic bag. And you've got boots. Unfortunately, not the squeaky kind, but they'll do. You'll be safe from those pesky rocks. It also helps to keep you dry. Not that he needs it. I mean, he is a sea sponge after all. But for most people, socks just don't mix with water. Walking's great exercise, but remember to take breaks. Just make sure you've got something nice to sit on. Yeah, he's kind of used to having sand all around. Underwater doesn't really do pine cones. But here's something landlubbers have used for years. A towel. And with a few twists and turns, you've got yourself a hammock. Of course, with the right coordinates, it's also a fun swing. Just make sure that everything's secure. SpongeBob's on the hunt for buried treasure. Ooh, maybe the magic conch has something good. Buried treasure. Oh, magic conch, what can't you do? I wonder what could be inside. 1, 2 doubloons? Blocks! Even better. Now we can build whatever we want.
Wow.
Some jelly will go great with our pineapple. Wow! Now it's big enough to live in. Ooh, 2 stories. Sponge Girl sure earned herself a Krabby Patty. Well, someone likes mayo. Don't worry, guys. A fry cook is always prepared, though we'll need help. From everybody's favorite evil Cyclops. Planked in such a nice shade of green. Now, let's trim a little off the bottom. A touch of red really livens things up. But why don't we add some cheese? Don't mind the hole, it's just extra Swiss. But soon we'll have a brand new patty. Of course, this burger's not for lunchtime. It's our special tub. Add water, there's plenty down here. The same could also be said about sharks. Your finger, it's infected. Wait, no, it's just a pop tube. I'm always getting those things mixed up. But soon, it'll be our colorful new slide. And we're throwing on all the bells and whistles. Wow, it's looking great. We just gotta hook it up. And our dirty Dans are almost ready for a ride. Come on, guys, slide on down. The water's fine. Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 friends in a tub. But you guys could use some sponges? Yeah, it's probably best not to think about it. Besides, they make for a really cool couch. Then again, it's looking pretty bare. Why don't we whip up some Krabby Patty pillows? Ooh, and it looks like we ordered extra large. Meanwhile, I think we've earned a little jellyfishing break. Steady now. It's letting its guard down. Gotcha. Uh-oh. I prefer my pancakes with syrup, not jelly. Well, we could at least give you back your color. Now let's add some lines on top. But now it's time for the real heavy artillery, hot glue. Draw out some squiggles, and soon you'll have new tendrils. And we've got the perfect place for you to hang out. Mirrors are like windows to another world. Ooh, seems like that gave Sponge Girl an idea. We can use it to make a brand new porthole window. But I think we're gonna need a new view. And what could be better than a bikini bottom backdrop? The ocean's a beautiful place, but it could use a few more bottom feeders. Don't worry, we'll soon get things rolling. Now let's give the top a nice fringe. Next, we'll really put everything in place. And when I said get things rolling, you know I meant it. Remember, you don't need a license to drive a sandwich. Of course, you can't forget the patty. Our secret weapon, sesame seeds. Don't tell Plankton. Oh, and headlights. Can't go wrong with headlights. Ooh, looks like it's the self-driving model. And it brought our friends, Mr. Krabs and Sandy. Now the party can really get started. Ooh, are you whipping up a disco ball? No, that's not quite. Kind of looks like a satellite. Oh, hold on. You're making a barbecue. We'll need charcoal. Unless you prefer propane and propane accessories. But if we want our guests to sit back and relax, we're gonna need something for them to relax on. And we might as well make it sparkle, too. Don't forget shades for that underwater sun. Crafting is thirsty work, but make sure to save that bottle cap. Just cover it up. Now we'll need our shark friend again. Yeah, we save a ton on paper shredders around here. But if you want things to have a nice shape, it's always best just to use a hole punch. We just need a little circle right in the center. Now we've got a tiny table for our tiny treats. Okay, I think the patties are about well done. Let's get it ready. Patrick looks pretty hungry. Lunch is ready, everyone. Come and get it. Ooh, you've even brought some extras. You can really taste that secret formula. All done? Well, why don't you all relax? A starfish? Hey, are you a friend of Patrick's? Well then, you can help us with our next craft. You guys want to work off those Krabby Patties? Well then, try out our new trampoline.
Okay, let's go.
Any takers? Looks like Squidward's going first. Next, Sandy's gonna get some serious air. Of course, we can't forget SpongeBob. Wow, this place has got everything, even Gary. There's always fun to be had under the sea. Just wait till you see what we've got planned for Squidward's house next. This next job. This SpongeBob's got a little bit of everyone inside him. But why don't we help him with these bubbles? You know how SpongeBob makes everything a party, especially when bubbles are involved.
Aha!
That's okay. Zoe's got some tropical fun planned. Too much pine in this pineapple? Wait a minute. Those are blocks. Even better. Ooh, what are you making? Another pineapple? Wait, no. It kind of looks like some kind of stand. Well, I guess we can show you the door. Get it? Wow, everything's really coming together. It's a juice stand with a whole line of flavors, complete with a pineapple crown on top. Calling all beachgoers. Anyone want to wet their whistle? It's Sandy Cheeks.
Hey!
And SpongeBob is her first customer. He wants pineapple juice. Guess they're not just for living in. But I don't think this one's for eating either. It's a toy. Still, it sure looks fun to play with. Either way, SpongeBob sure is one happy